how to add polls on TikTok. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away because this is actually super easy to do. Now all you basically have to do is click on the plus icon right there. Now you can either record a video or upload one you like. I'm just going to record a video real quick, and once you've done that and you're happy with the video, you can click on the check mark icon right there. And then once you're here, don't click next yet. What you want to do is click on the stickers icon at the bottom right there. Then it should pop up right here immediately in the recommended, and you can just click on that and you can ask a question. So let's say hello, how are you, just something random, and then good, bad, or something like that, just something random. You can do whatever you like. Once you've added it into your video, you can click on next and post it on your TikTok. So that's basically how you can add polls on TikTok. It's super easy to do. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.